There's another universe. Please make some noise. Give me
Just gonna do anything.
We made it.
Barely. Y'all, they would not. Don't even get me started. That fucking American Airlines app did the fuck out of me.
And the little kiosk. Everything
Yeah.
was just not working.
L after L.
But at least there was a nice lady that helped us through.
Yeah, one of the what would she be?
TSA worker.
TSA agent. She like really came through for us, letting us cut in front of everyone. Other people would not do that. They'd be like, "Get the you know the meme where the lady on Twitter was hunched over getting up for work? That's how I feel right now. That's my mood.
Nothing else about this place is cute.
And then you get inside your room and it smells like mop water. Dirty mop water at that.
This is our menu. We both got this. Be Dora and explore. Time to try my elote. I've never had one. I know Chili's be having it, but it's like...
What is it? It's just corn and like cheese and stuff.
I thought we were gonna have a cute little relaxation time.
And we are. We're doing exactly that. And we're deep rolling the neck now.
So, quick recap of the day. Today was good. We just need to figure out how this peso and USD actually works. Because on Google it says one...
Well, everywhere that we've gone, it's been different.
Exactly. And that's the problem.
And I...
Whatever. But we went to Fifth Ave, right?
Mm-hmm.
Fifth Ave, yeah, they have a lot of stuff. They have a bunch of stores. They have a bunch of clubs. We're here on weekdays, so are we gonna check out the clubs again? Maybe.
Yeah, we'll
not
see.
maybe. We'll see. But there's different restaurants that we do want to try. So, and the music has toned down,
Which is good. It's
Yeah.
not as loud because it was ridiculous.
yeah.
And I hope since it's gonna be like weekdays for the next couple of days. I mean, they said they have events every single night, so.
I don't know
But I
why.
hope it like relaxes because it doesn't need to be that excessive ever.
Yeah, I don't recommend this place if you're trying to like actually relax for vacation because
Yeah.
the music's 24 hours. I'm pretty sure.
We got to the point where we were looking at Airbnbs and like.
We were
hotels.
this close to booking it, but then the cancellation policy for this hotel was just not it. We were gonna lose money and then like pay for another like place to stay. No,
We're already here, so we're just gonna have to suffer.
I have to suffer with it. I'm just gonna have to suffer with it. But what time is it? It's 11:54. We have showered and now we're in bed and we're gonna watch Love Island and then plan out our day.
Day for tomorrow.
Hopefully before we go to sleep.
Yeah.
Knowing us, it's probably gonna be done in the morning.
Most likely. During breakfast.
Oh yes! Y'all don't know how good that breakfast was.
It was really good. 10 out of 10.
Yeah. Like I never ate before. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Oh, and the beach. Hopefully, literally, hopefully, we can find a beach that like.
We're gonna
doesn't
see
have
if
too
we
much
can
swimming.
do day passes tomorrow to like a couple resorts.
We're doing that Tuesday.
Oh, because of the weather?
Yeah.
But if it doesn't rain.
Y'all, we ended up on a jet ski. And I wish I knew this we were actually going. From our last minute excursion. I don't know how y'all be going fast on those things. I don't know how you guys twerk on those things. I don't know how you do any of that stuff. Because the moment she went over 10, I was hoopla! Like, no. Okay. Got my hair situated. Anyway, so we have our plan for tomorrow. Wednesday, we still don't have anything planned, but you know, that's what happens when you go on a trip with no itinerary. You just be doing stuff. And we had a churro on the beach. It was good. Yeah. Policia. Day 3. And yesterday we found an excursion to do.
We're
So
going jet skiing. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna say about that.
but today we're gonna go. I don't know what this is called. I'm gonna just insert a name right there. And if only I knew how much people's
I'm driving this bus.
how much people's actually on this right now. Miss that body over here.
Send help. I swear to God.
So we're gonna go out for the night. Makeup is done and ready. We're gonna throw that shit on.
Yeah.
Put it on the floor.
Get dressed with us to go to. We don't know.
To go to wherever the wind takes us. You know?
Take me.
Because it's raining on and
I'm
off.
rocking it.
It started raining out of nowhere. So like now we're just like conflicted. We don't have an umbrella. We have our natural hairs out. And our outfits are beige.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
It's all about the details.
Where's your fit from?
My fit's from Shein. Everything's from Shein. The dress, the heels, don't show my toes, the rings, the accessories. I got on Pandora, Cartier, Shein, you know. Little flex.
My outfit's from Shein as well. Sandals are from Shein. I didn't accessorize yet, but you know, when you're hungry, you don't need to accessorize.
The hunger don't stop.
Just say you will, come go and chill. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night, I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger, babe's been wet.
Me next.
She's getting Saunders tatted.
If you know, you know. all my Brent Fires fans know. If you know, you know. And this is actually a tattoo that I've been meaning to get for a while, like for years. Like it's in my nose.
Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing baby, I'm saying baby, love it shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and put a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah, get to taking that off of me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me.